Hello friends, my name is Vishnu. I am from CSC department from C2.
Hi friends, I am
Hi,
Madan from CSC B1.
hi, good morning. Good afternoon to all. Myself Charan Babu and I am from CST Department A2 section.
Hello friends, my name is Puneet. I am from CSC department C1.
Hi friends, my name is Chandu from CSCA2.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Pawan. I am from Mechanical Department.
Hello, all. I'm Manikandan from class ACB2.
Hi, today we came up with the topic global warming. Yeah, Vishnu.
Yeah, we're gonna discuss about the global warming. Global warming is a phenomenon where the Earth average temperature rises due to increased amount of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and ozone trap the incoming radiation from the sun. This effect creates a natural blanket which prevents the heat from escaping back into atmosphere. This effect is called greenhouse effect.
The
Now,
effects of climate changes. Temperature will continue to rise because of human indicate warming in superimposed of natural varying climates. The temperature rises not been and will not be uniform or smooth across countries over time. Change in precipitation patterns, more droughts and heat waves, hurricanes will become more stronger and more intense. Sea level will rise 1 to 8 feet by 2100s. Arctic likely to
The effects of climate
devastating
change.
effect, devastating of devastating effects of global warming, melting of glaciers, climate change, rise in droughts, diseases, hurricanes frequency, the rise of sea levels, effects on agriculture, unexpected heat waves, frequent wildfires, effects on crops. That's it. There are the 10 points to discuss with. The melting point of glaciers will create a plethora of problems for humankind and the animals living on the earth due to increased global warming. The level of the sea will rise, which will lead to flooding, and these will in turns create havoc in human life.
Devastating effects of global warming. Rise in drought. While it may be flooding in Savannah, severe drought is happening elsewhere in the world. As temperature warms, the presence of drought has increased. The diseases, as the temperature becomes warmer, it can be it can affect the health of humans and the diseases they are exposed to. With the increase in the rainfall, waterborne diseases are likely to spread like malaria. The earth will become warmer, and as a result, heat waves are likely to increase and cause a major blow to the people.
The rise of sea levels. The melting of polar ice caps and less water evaporating into the atmosphere are causing increased ice sea levels. Coastal towns and cities near the US East Coastal and Gulf of Mexico are just a few areas where devastating food chain damaging starting to make its mark in history.
Points to reduce the effect of global warming. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Use less heat and air conditioning. Change your light bulbs. Drive less and drive smarter. Buy energy efficient product. Use less hot water. Use the off switch. Plant a tree. Firstly, we must stop deforestation. By cutting tree, it will not absorb carbon dioxide, so will be useful. Conserve energy in your daily life. Turn off the light. Close door immediately so heat does not escape. Take short shower. Walk or bike if you can. Turn off your computer when it's not used. That's it.
Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation would escape into the space, that these pollutants, which can last for years to centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. These heat trapping pollutants, specifically carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and synthesis fluoride gases, are known as greenhouse gases, and their impact is called greenhouse effect. Through natural cycles and fluctuations, has caused the climate change to change several times over the 8,000 years.
Yeah, that's all about the global warming. Thank you.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you, guys.
Thank you, friends.